The CDC is now recommending we wear masks when grocery shopping. But unless you're able to make your own or wear a scarf over your face, masks are harder to come by than toilet paper right now. But on your phone or on websites on your PC, it's an endless stream of ads for masks, face shields, and hand sanitizer. But before you click and order them, buyer beware. The consumer site pissedconsumer.com has dozens of complaints. One shopper saying, I ordered 2 coronavirus face masks, paid $100. A month later, I received 3 paper face masks sent from Korea. From another shopper, I ordered 5 N95 respirator masks for $120. They sent me 5 paper masks. The customs declaration listed the value at $5. A total scam. And from the Doesn't That Stink file, fake masks and hand sanitizer that doesn't even arrive. Pissed Consumer quotes one shopper who said, I spent $199 for N95 masks. No response whatsoever for my order, shipping, or tracking. Others report ordering hand sanitizer from online ads and ending up with Chinese goop with no way of knowing if it would protect against anything. And remember, true respirator masks need to go to healthcare workers, so don't waste your money. I'm John Mattery.